Ben Affleck had a certain look on his face when he was seen reuniting with wife Jennifer Lopez on Wednesday morning. The couple, who were reportedly living separately and a divorce is imminent, were gathered in Los Angeles for his 12-year-old son Samuel's graduation. Ben had on his wedding ring as he arrived with his mother Chris-Ann Ball by his side as he failed to crack a smile. He was wearing a dark blue jacket, vest and slacks with a white shirt and no tie. Jennifer, who was seen shopping on Tuesday, showed up with her twins Max and Em as she was chic in an ivory mini dress with clear and beige-toed high heels. As she carried an Hermes purse, the Atlas star was smiling and appeared to be in good spirits. Also seen was Ben's ex-wife Jennifer Garner, with whom the Oscar-winning actor has Samuel, as well as kids Violet and Serafina, who now goes by Finn. Lopez showed no signs of stress as she appeared in an elegant off-white dress that had a high round collar and a scalloped hem. The former fly girl added very high pumps that highlighted her trim and toned legs. Her blonde hair was pulled back as she shined in pale pink makeup and slip-on ombre pink purple butterfly sunglasses with diamond earrings. The movie icon, who has worked on Kiss of the Spider-Woman this year, could not stop smiling. Dr. M had on a beige button-up shirt with the pointy collar tucked into dark belted slacks and sneakers. Max was even more low-key in a white short-sleeved shirt with khaki slacks and a beige cap and glasses. Nike high-top sneakers finished off his summer look. The teen had an earbud case around his neck on a lemon leash as he held on to his cell phone. Gardner seemed in a spirited mood when getting out of her car at the valet stand. The Alias actress wore a dark and ankle-length summer dress with white straps. The partner of John Miller added a brown hat with a tribal print ribbon and her hair down. Her shoes were black sandals with a top stitch and gold on the heels. She carried a quilty black purse and had on black sunglasses. Finn, who wore short hair, followed behind Gardner. The child wore a pinkish shirt with dark slacks and carried a jacket, cell phone, and a book. Oddly, Lopez, Affleck and Gardner were not pictured in the same frame, but they must have been near each other inside the graduation when their kids came together. The day before, Affleck met up with Gardner, who embraced his mother during that meeting. Ben was seen carefree and smiling. Affleck was reportedly last with J-Lo on Sunday when they had a 4-hour meeting at the $60 million mansion they reportedly are putting up for sale. He already lives in $100,000 a month rental near Gardner, while it is believed Lopez is still at the mega mansion with her kids. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.